In today's video, we are going to show you how to change outfits in Higgsfield. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open your project inside Higgsfield. In my case, I'm gonna go to the top corner and click the Create Image. I have already uploaded an image earlier, so I'm gonna use it instead. But if you don't have it yet, just click the plus button so you can upload up to 14 multiple images. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna be choosing this one right here. Okay, click that. And then once it's selected, all right, you can describe the scene that you wanted. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is change the outfit or wardrobe. Okay, so for example, this one. On the prompt section, this is where you can customize clothing, styles, and overall appearance. Now, the thing is, the more complex the outfit is, like detailed fabrics, accessories, layers, and patterns, the longer it will take to render, and it may use more credits. So if you're trying to save credits, you want to keep things simple and clean. Of course, you can choose from different working models. Some working models requires more credits. You see this? Once you've done that, click the Generate button. Once rendering has been completed, now you can simply click the image to preview. If you are happy, just click the download button. If you're not, you can do multiple options here such as upscale, enhance, relight, and paint, and angles. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to change outfits in Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.